Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a 3-minute review on an Ulta product. So this is the Complexion Rollerball from the Ulta Beauty line at Ulta. It's very redundant. So basically this is a little rollerball that has tea tree oil and a couple little other things that help with treating acne, spots, blemishes, whatever you want to call them. Basically, I enjoyed this product. It's only 10 bucks. I think it's nice packaging. I think it's very easy to apply. Like, oh, you have a bump, you just apply it there. I mean, some can argue that this might not be super hygienic, but I feel like you can just wipe the rollerball. I don't know, some people have issues with certain things like that. Same thing with like a moisturizer in a pot. They don't like dipping their fingers in it because they feel like you're contaminating it. It depends on your preferences, I guess, but I really enjoy this. I think it's nice. Honestly though, if you're looking to treat acne without like necessarily using salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, which are acne fighting ingredients, it's also very easy if you already own tea tree oil to just dilute it a little bit and then use it as a spot treatment, which is what I've always done. Tea tree oil is very good at fighting acne, and this does contain tea tree oil, but it also has like aloe and vitamin E, and it does contain a little bit of salicylic acid actually. So this has a little bit of what some might consider to be filler, whereas if you already own tea tree oil, then you don't necessarily have to go out and purchase this. But if you're looking for something that's ready-made and that, like, you know, you just want to give it a shot, I think this is pretty good. I got this for free in one of those little gift bags that Ulta gives you. Like if you purchase a certain amount, then you get a free little bag full of like sample size items and stuff. So that's how I picked this one up. I didn't actually pay for it. Like it did help with certain acne spots that I was having. Not necessarily having them disappear overnight. It did kind of reduce the size and redness of them. Ultimately, I would probably choose benzoyl peroxide if it's for an important event. I'm gonna choose something that's a little bit stronger. And I like this better than like the Mario Badescu drying lotion, which is a very popular item on YouTube. It doesn't give me any type of result, and it leaves my skin burning, which is really weird because I don't have sensitive skin in the slightest, but that's like the one product that I always get some type of reaction from. Anyway, those are my thoughts on this rollerball. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you tried this before or if this interests you, and I will see you guys next time. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time with another video.